Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the background of your video using InShot application. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my InShot application, and first thing first, I'm going to open a project I have just created on my InShot. This is my project and I'm going to open it. Okay, and I'm going to remove the background of this video. If you want to do that, first thing first, we need to go to the cowdot option. Just select this cowdot, and then you can choose the method you want to apply to remove your background. You can select cowdot or chroma key or chroma feature. If your background is green screen background, I recommend you to use this chroma feature. But if your background is like this and the object is human, you can select cowdot and the background will be removed automatically. Okay, and now the background has been totally removed from my video. I guess that's how we can remove background of our video using InShot. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.